Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is install Node.js. Now for those who don't have Node.js, you can simply go to nodejs.org and download the latest version. After you have downloaded and installed the latest version, the next step is to download NPM, which is an online repository for Node packages. So we're going to go to the terminal, and before I install NPM, I just want to show you guys how you can check if you have Node installed. So after you have installed it, you can simply type in node-v, and that's going to return the version number, meaning that Node did get installed successfully. So then we're going to install npm, and we're going to do this by typing in this command, sudo npm install npm-g, and then we're going to hit enter. I'm not going to hit enter because I already have this installed. So I'm going to just go ahead and delete it, but you guys can install it, enter in your password, and that's going to go ahead and install npm. Now after we have npm installed, we then need to set up our package.json file in this specific directory. And what this does is it will manage your dependencies. So each time you download something from npm, the package will be saved in the package.json file. So whenever you need to make an update, it's going to update all the other dependencies for that specific package. So the first thing we do to get started with the package manager is we just type in simply npm init, hit enter, and you're going to see right over here it's going to ask us for the name of the application in the directory, which is the sockets directory. So I'll just call this PHP and socket.io. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so over here it's saying that it cannot contain any spaces because it has to be URL friendly. So I'll just put PHP and socket. We'll just put PHP and socket. Then the version number is going to be 1.0.0. It's going to be our first version. And the description, we'll just put an application that displays real-time orders without refreshing the page. All right, and for you guys, you just put in the description that matches the application you guys are working in, and that goes along with the name. So whatever application you guys are working on, that's going to be the name of that application. So I'm going to hit enter, and then over here I hit enter, which is fine, enter, fine. If you guys have a Git repository, you can just type that in and hit enter. We're not going to use any keywords for this package manager, for this package .json file. And then the author is just going to be my name, so right over here. Okay, and the license we're going to skip, and we just go over everything we entered, hit OK. And after we hit yes, which is me entering, hitting enter, it's going to create that package.json file, and I'll show you where that is right over here. So you see it created all this package.json file with all the values we entered in the command line. So in the next video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys which dependencies we're going to be using to set up that server to listen to the events.